to remind me of my screw-up?
You know, I don't think we're ever gonna understand each other.
They're gonna come here every Saturday just to graduate with all these other weirdos and criminals.
I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my
So, this is where you come every Saturday instead of practice. Tragic.
I keep the ends out for the tie that bind.
Hey, it's a restricted area.
Guys?
There's something in there.
Billy,
what are you doing?
Guys,
What is it? Security.
somebody should have pointed that out. Wait, I did.
You know something happened up there, okay? I'm not the same.
I'm strong.
How strong?
Insanely strong. No.
I feel like we need to go back up there.
I'm gonna jump across with her, and then you jump. Piece of cake.
Let's go.
No, don't jump.
Jason! That's not a piece of cake!